Welcome back
Hello.
Stop! And today we're playing Don't Push the Button 4. So yeah, the first one
Help
is
the Santa.
Hannah. I'm saying it. So the first one is help Santa find gifts. The presents or gifts. As I would say.
You've got it.
Yeah.
I
And guys, this Miranda girl is crazy. By the way, just say.
I'm just getting my last gift. Hey, why can't I collect it?
Hannah, you're supposed to press it to collect it.
Oh. Why do I still have the smoothie drink?
Oh no, because you haven't died. Okay, get to the top.
Oh my god.
I think Morala girl will kill us once we get to the top. Maybe. I made it.
She's cheating.
Yeah, we know.
She's cheating. Wait, did another people?
No, another person joined.
Yeah.
And it's not called another people. It's called another person. Hannah, guys, please subscribe to get Hannah some English classes. She really came in. You're trying to kill me, person.
Oh,
Morala.
I knew it. Oh my god,
She's
I didn't
literally
do it.
trying to kill us.
Wow.
I know who Maya is, by the way. Find and collect the Easter eggs.
Ooh. Oh, I found one.
I found
E
0.
to pick up. Ooh, there's another one here.
Really?
I don't.
Morala stole mine.
Wait, I think I found another one. This one's invisible. I don't.
Found this one. I found one.
Ooh, I found one very hidden here.
I found one too. Totally not a secret message. Heh.
How many is it?
I don't know. I have 3. How many do you have?
4.
Marla has 3 too. She has 4 now.
Wait. Oh, I found another one. I have 5. It's so weird that I still have the smoothie. Oh my god, the Milano girl's trying to chase me. Oh,
She
I
wants to
found
kill you.
another one. She wants to kill me and get those eggs from me.
Yeah. Okay, I have 4 now.
I have 6.
Why are you so good at this?
I just keep walking and then
Okay, I have 5 now.
it's better in the dark. I found a lot in the dark, so.
6. I have 6. You have 6 too?
Ooh, I changed my 7.
Oh, you have 7?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're lucky. I have 7. Morala won by 9 eggs? 9? I pressed the button. Reach the end. Only one bridge is saved.
Oh my god. She's cheating again.
Shit! You little traitor!
Who's gonna be?
I'm gonna
Wait,
try the
that
middle one. I did it! Morala, I don't need you. You're so...
No,
She's cheating.
it's this one too?
No. Is it this one? Oh yeah, it's this one.
This one?
It's not. I'm okay, I'm dead. Hannah, it's that one. Yeah, it's the right one. Go. Hannah, go. Girl, you have to win this for me, okay? You have to.
Wait, it's this one?
Keep going.
Oh. This one, there's no. It's this one? I don't know. What?
Oh,
no.
go that one. Go that one.
Which one is it?
That one.
This one?
No, not the middle. That one. Yeah, that one. Go, honey, you can do it. Okay, you made it. Oh, you did it. Yay!
Finally! Can I press it?
No. Hurry, reach the end.
I never can press. Oh my god.
I always press it.
I
You died immediately? Okay.
And I see the girl cheating again.
Yeah,
and
she's always
my
cheating.
smoothie's gone.
Now
Smoothie.
I'm not actually cheating.
No, there's a Tsumi. Go quick.
Tasumi? What is that?
Tatsumi It's
I did it, but I died at the same time.
Oh my gosh, what's she doing?
What the hell, lady?
She just took out the gun.
What the hell, girl?
Oh my God, I'm running out.
You're a crazy little girl.
I'm gonna go.
Hannah, you can't. Look, I'm inside of. Hey! Come here. I'm inside of
scared
you.
of her. No. Oh.
Get to the water.
What?
Oh, get to the water. Get to the water. Go. I did it. I did it. Oh my God, I did it.
Get to the water again?
No, Hannah, you already died. I did it. You know, I'm
Why is your
such.
health so little?
Be-
Can you help me see one smile? Oh! I survived.
Mhm. You're gonna stand in right here in the middle.
Oh my God! I died. Can you help me see how many life? I'm the only
I'm not dying, Hannah. I'm not dying. Don't worry, I'm still alive. Color the most amount of tiles. Morella's cheating!
cheated.
I'm gonna just take hers away. I'm taking hers away.
Wait, you can?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just took yours away too.
Don't do dare.
Yes, I do, dear.
Take the purple one away.
Yeah, take the
Keep
purple
taking
one.
her away. Because she's a cheater.
Yeah.
Cheater.
Cheater.
Hey!
Hannah, I'm taking hers away.
You're also taking
Yeah, I know.
so many.
It's fine. We just have to not let whatever her name is win, okay?
Oh my God, she has it everywhere.
What? Are you actually kidding me? No. This is bad. No, she won. I have second point. Okay, we're fine. Ah! I fell out of the world. Thank you. Okay, guys, this is the last round, and then we're not going to play anymore. She's trying to kill us.
Wait, what year?
Hannah, we both know that she's trying to kill us. Seriously. Don't you dare pull out that gun, lady!
Oh my God, this lady is pulling. Oh my God, help me! She's pulling out the gun. Oh my God. Oh no, she killed me.
No, okay, only me and her are left. No, Morella, no, you don't kill me. No, you don't. I'm not gonna let you kill me, mean lady. You really thought you can kill me?
Wait, you could buy things?
No, I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Ah! Morella died! Yes! Morella died! Morella died! I'm the only one left. Oh, no. Okay, we're okay. Morella died while trying to kill me. Yay, I served. Yeah, that's.
Is this what?
Yeah, that's.
Oh my God, that's so expensive.
Yeah.
Just try to buy a gun and then shoot her.
She killed me. Okay, guys, so that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below what you guys want to see next. Until then, I'll see you guys again. Bye.